I want to know who motherfucking representing it here tonight. Hold on, hold on.
Keep letting you back in. How can I explain myself? You said you cared for me, cared for me.
Louisiana shit.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pretty Marie. If you're not, thank you for returning. Well, today I decided to do this really pretty spring/summer inspired makeup tutorial. Actually, I did something like this for my Fashion Nova makeup video, and someone asked me to recreate it. It was my first request, so you know, I felt a little bit like special because I was like, oh, my first request. So I'm really excited. Shout out to you, girl. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching the video and let's go check it out. Oh, and also, you guys like my hair? I decided to do something different because I was tired of doing it the same old way. So I decided to flat iron my ponytail and then curl it. I actually was trying to get like an actual ponytail and wrap it around, but the lady at Sally's was like, oh, you only need one bundle, and I was even thinking like, no, this is not gonna work. And of course I got home and girl, it was not working. So I had already flat ironed my hair, so I said fuck it, I'm gonna curl it because I've done a hairstyle like this before. I didn't do it where I laid my edges, but I did it where I had like some hairs hanging, but I decided I wanted to lay my edges this time, and I am in love with this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle. If you guys want to see how I created it or anything, or how I got the hairstyle, just let me know down below in the comments. But let's get into the video and let's go check out how I got this gorgeous makeup look. Okay guys, so I'm back. Of course, you know I do this all the time, my eyebrows and my foundation. At least because it just takes a long time for me to do my eyebrows. I don't know what it is, but it takes me literally like forever to do my fucking eyebrows. So we're gonna start off by going into the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the palette that we're going to be using today only. And to prep my eyes, well, prime/prep them, I'm going to be putting this tempera color all over my eyelids. And of course, always make sure that there's no creases in your eyelids. You know I've never been okay. Okay, we're gonna go in for the transition color. We're gonna be using Real Gar as our transition. Next, we're going to focus Love Letter and Venetian Red mostly into the crease. Okay, so next we're just gonna add a little bit of darkness to this. So I'm lightly gonna add this color right here. And I'm just gonna be putting this on the outer V and then work it a little bit into my crease. Now I'm going to go back in with that first color we started with. And I'm just going to apply this on my lid. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in with the fluffy brush and just blend out any lines or anything. Okay, and then I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to go do my eyeliner, and then I'll be right back in a second. Okay, my eyeliner came out a little thick today, but I'm low-key feeling it because I'm all about the thick and dramatic liner, and I've been doing it thinner than I've ever done in my life lately. So we're going to go in for lashes next. Lashes, we're going to be using these Kiss. These are the Lash Couture lashes. These are so pretty. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and apply some mascara. The lashes are just about tacky, so I'm going to go ahead and apply them. These lashes are so pretty, you guys. Guys, I just feel so poppin' with my hair. Oh, girl. I just feel poppin'. Like, can't no bitch make me feel like Now we are gonna go in for our highlight. So we're gonna go in with my favorite, my Tarte Maracuja Creaseless Concealer. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my dry beauty blender and I'm going to blend this all out. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal setting powder. Okay, I'm going to set all the areas that I just highlighted, and I'm going to set them really, really good, because I don't want them to go anywhere and I don't want them to crease or anything. Okay, next we're gonna go in for our bronzer, and I have really been loving the Hoola by Benefit bronzer. This is like so old, not this actual product, but this product, but the product itself in general. Like, it came out a while ago and it was really popular for a while, but yes, I have just recently started to use it. I used it on my friends, I believe, first when I did their makeup, and I was like, ooh, this looks really, really good. Let me use it on myself. So we are gonna go in with that. I'm gonna take a pretty generous amount because it is pretty light for me, so I can go in. This is looking so good, guys. I love it. Okay, and I have been loving like the no blush look. Like lately I've just been putting on my bronzer and then my highlight, so that's what, actually no, I think we need a little bit of blush for this look, huh? What do you guys think? I think so. I'm looking at myself right now and I'm like, girl, you could use a little bit of blush for them cheeks. I'm gonna go in with the Patrick Star MAC collection. I'm gonna go in with this powder duo. Oh my gosh, can't even think of it. Okay, it's the I'm Not Blushing powder blush duo, and I'm just gonna be using this blush right here, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and instead of starting from the tops of my cheeks working back, I'm gonna work from the backs of my cheeks, just so I don't have a lot of focus on the blush. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and I'm going to be using my MAC highlighter that I got recently. It still has the design in it. Okay, and my eyes are looking a little bit naked, so I'm gonna go and add a little bit of some of the colors that we use. I'm just gonna use some of the random colors, not really anything specifically. I'm gonna go in with that dark one just to give it a little darkness, of course, but I'm just gonna be mixing them together and just applying it on the bottom of my lash line, and then I'm gonna apply some mascara. We have like 2 more steps. We're gonna apply some lipstick, and then we're gonna apply our setting spray. So for our lipstick, I'm gonna start out by applying the Too Faced matte liquid lipstick. Then I'm gonna apply my Patrick Star the Mama Star Kiss on top of my lipstick. Okay, alright, now all we need to finish this look is some jewelry, so I'll be right back.